Welcome to our tutorial on building a successful YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing channel, these 10 steps will be your guide to growth and engagement. Step 1. Define your niche. Finding your unique content focus is crucial for attracting and retaining viewers interested in your channel's specific theme. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Quality content is the cornerstone of a successful channel. Learn the tips and tricks to produce engaging videos that keep your audience coming back for more. Step 3. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Crafting compelling titles and descriptions can significantly impact your video's visibility and reach on the platform. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel involves interacting with your viewers, responding to comments, and fostering a sense of belonging. Step 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with fellow creators can expand your reach, introduce your channel to new audiences, and spark creative ideas. Step 6. Utilize SEO strategies. Understanding and implementing search engine optimization techniques can boost your channel's discoverability and organic growth. Step 7. Analyze your performance metrics. Monitoring your channel's analytics provides valuable insights into what works best for your audience and how to refine your content strategy. Step 8. Stay consistent. Consistency in posting schedule and content quality establishes credibility with your audience and keeps them engaged and eager for more. Step 9. Promote your videos across platforms. Sharing your content on social media and other channels can attract new viewers and drive traffic to your YouTube videos. Step 10. Stay passionate and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay motivated, keep learning, and never give up on your creative journey. Congratulations! You've now completed the 10 steps to enhance your YouTube channel. Implement these strategies, adapt them to your style, and watch your channel thrive.